I just bought some of these mystery power boxes from Walmart.
Walmart.
Shut up. So, I just bought some of these mystery power boxes from Walmart. And I bought these before and they've been fine, I guess. But when I opened this one, I noticed that this pack was a little bit open. Doesn't want to focus. So this pack, the end of it was like kind of ripped off. And I was thinking like, I don't know, maybe it could have happened like in shipping somehow, but it kind of, it looks like it was cut almost. So I went ahead and opened it and it had a white code in there. Oops. Here, will you hold the camera for a second? So I pulled these cards out of here and there should be a rare card in here because it has a, or there should be a hollow or higher in here because it has a white code. So immediately I noticed that the first card in here, if you could see that little symbol, it is not in fact from Breakthrough. It is a common Gligar from, I believe that's Neogenesis or whatever that set's called. We have a regular rare in here, and then just a bunch of other cards. There's no holo rare or reverse at all. So that was a little weird. Obviously somebody must have taken the good card out of there. So then I thought I would open up this other pack because this one has got like a hole in the bottom. Yeah. And I don't think that this was opened completely unless they somehow sealed it back up at the bottom.
Or they didn't close it all.
So I might as well open this. And this one's just got a green code, so there's not going to be much good in here anyways, but yeah, so that's a normal pack. But yeah, not cool, mystery power box. Don't know what all that was about.
Shame!
Yeah, all the other packs are fine, just this one and that one.
Well, we don't know that for sure.
Well, they're intact, I mean, they're not open. Not all these are from the mystery power box, but they all appear to be fine, all the ones that I got out of there. So, yeah, I don't know what's up with that. This is like an old card too. Like this set is old, and it's got like crap on it.
Let me try to zoom in on the crap.
There's like dirt on here, and it's kind of beat up too. Like this is somebody's random card they threw in there. Like if there was a good card in here, they could have at least left the reverse. Like would have been worth that much money, I don't think. Don't trust mystery power box. The end. Oh yeah, that's the other thing I forgot to say. This pack was bent up. Like, you can't hardly tell, but like, it was real bent when I pulled it out.
It looks a little bent.
Yeah, you can tell when I put it up against these cards. It's all warped. Like, the whole pack was like that. On the other hand, here's a nice...
Oh, wait.
Here's a nice Mewtwo. Ultra rare I pulled the other day. Sexy.